Hello guys, I was looking for a cab on the road and I happened to come across this different looking car which has something on its top. And uh, once I just hopped into the car and started my ride, I noticed something different. That there was no engine running, and the car just started moving without any noise or anything like that. And then I noticed that speed was very low, but something was different with the car. So I had to ask the driver what was this. He told me it's an electric car. So you guys, and this really is an electric car. You guys need to forget everything about Tesla Model 3. We have got our very own Model 3. So take a look. There's no engine inside this one. These are only 6 dry batteries. What are the specs? I have no idea, but there's no engine at all. And so the driver, the owner of the car, tells me that there is only one gear there, and there are no gear shifting modules. And at the back of the car, they've got a motor. This one underneath. So it looks like a different type of motor, but we don't know what it is, but it works well. They had 2 huge, 5 people were sitting in the car, and there was a lot of other load as well on the carrier. So it really pulls a huge load on it. So this is the driver. Let's have a talk with him. तो अंकल क्या हाल है आपके? ठीक है. अच्छा अंकल, इस कार के बारे में बताएं, इसकी कितनी स्पीड है, कितने गियर्स हैं इसमें, कितनी देर में चार्ज होती है?
सर ये ऑटो गियर है, एक ही गियर है इसमें और दूसरा रिवर्स है.
इसको रिलीज करें.
चार्ज होती है ये 3 घंटे में और उसके बाद 50 किलोमीटर तक चलती है. और बाकी इसका जो है ना स्पीड 30 से 35 फिल वक्त है, क्योंकि हमने ये पहला हमारा ये काम था, इसलिए मोटर इसमें छोटी लगी हुई है. दूसरी हैवी मोटर लगाएंगे, फिर 150 किलोमीटर तक चलेगी. और बैटरी भी हम दूसरी मंगवा रहे हैं, जिस बैटरी से ये एक चार्जिंग से 150 किलोमीटर चलेगी.
अच्छा, और अभी ये एक ही कार है और या इस तरह की और भी बना
जी जी, ये दूसरी 2 और हम तैयार कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
जो इसमें खामियां खराबियां हैं इंशाल्लाह उनमें नहीं होगी, तो इंशाल्लाह वो बेहतर हालत में आपके
तो
सामने
इसके इंजीनियर आप ही हैं या और
जी नहीं, इंजीनियर हमारी वर्कशॉप है.
अच्छा.
वहाँ हमारे 4 इंजीनियर्स हैं. इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर है, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर है.
अच्छा.
वहाँ हमारे सुपरवाइज़र हैं. तो हमारी कंपनी जुल्टा टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी है, ये बैरियर नोएडा फोर्स के साथ.
ठीक है. सो So guys, the company we are talking about over here is Jolta Technologies. They are doing a whole breadth of technologies. They are making mobile chargers. They are making LED bulbs. They are making 3D printers. They are making these electric cars. They experiment with a whole lot of things. And this one is another one of their experiment. The thing to notice over here is they are based out of Bahria Town Phase 8. So the thing that's different over here is that there's no electricity outage over here, and it allows so much of innovation because of this single facility. So think of the innovation when it expands. This facility expands throughout the country, that we don't have power outages. Eventually we would have so much of innovation going on. This guy takes his car back to the workshop, plugs in, it charges for 3 hours, and eventually they would he would drive on the roads and just drive it as a cab. I'm Awais Nasir from Soft Oven. Do reach out to me if you want to connect with these guys, and have a good day.